Take a ride in the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, leather trim seats, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, power steering, cruise control, clock, power brakes, heated steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.